This is the scab together tractor, rabbit tractor. I really didn't know what I was going to do with it. I really don't like it, but I'm going to put the old grumpy guy, who's the least active of all of the rabbits, in here so I can separate the males from the females from the most recent litter. So we'll see how it goes. Phase one. He does like his greens, so we'll see if he starts eating some of this stuff when he settles down. He didn't like the move. He usually just hangs out in his box. He doesn't eat a lot. He's just slow, timid, grumpy, blind in one eye. Pretty easy keeper though. Okay, back to the youngins. These guys don't get handled much, and I intentionally feeding them late this morning because they know where the food comes from. So I think they'll all gather in this corner like they are right now. I can just reach in, grab them, get them sexed, because that's what we're doing. We're separating them by sex. And hopefully they'll all be happy. Probably won't like the initial part, but anyway. You can kind of see what I mean. They can't all fit in there, but there'll be room in a minute, or in a while. I lost my mic during the process, so you will notice the difference in the volume. Sorry about that. They all look like tacos. They all look like females. And I just don't believe that I grabbed 5 females at random. So, I'm going to let these 6 stay here for a while. And we'll readdress this on another day. Because they are feisty. They're easy to catch because of the food. They don't like being handled. They're fine for this. These are the ones that really didn't like what I was doing. But they don't like being turned upside down and checked. So I'm going to try to give them a break. Maybe check these originals again in a couple days or whatever, but at least they got a little space now. The old guy, he doesn't like being around other rabbits or people or anything anyway, so he should be happy where he's at. We'll check on him right now. These ladies on here are pretty good. Of course, I'm not picking them up, so maybe they'd fight back if I pick them up. And they're not so jittery. This one's waiting for her pellets, but she's just going to have to wait a little longer. Oh no, now you know what I look like, at least my shadow. Seems content enough.